It's almost Christmas time and we have just a few shopping days. And for those of you who are having a hard time perhaps finding something for a loved one, why not buy a green garden gift? Now for those gardeners out there, you always need a good pair of hand pruners, or how about a nice pair of gloves, for those serious gardeners. They also can always utilize a beautiful decorative pot. For those of you who are just starting to garden or who have a small space, you can get indoor house plants for your family. Maybe like these tiny little Schefflera and the mother-in-law's tongue, just something like that. For those of you who maybe have that black thumb or claim to have that black thumb, why not try some garden art? You could buy a trellis, or you could get a hummingbird feeder or a bird feeder for those of you who like to attract wildlife into your garden. Additionally, a wind chime is always a beautiful addition to any patio or any garden. Now you also have tools that make life easier, such as this pot mover here. Slide around your pots. You can move them indoors when it's cold outside. And if you don't want to go for any of that, why not try getting the Get It Growing calendar? It gives monthly tips, gardening tips for each month. Or you could try the Louisiana Urban Gardener, another publication from the LSU AgCenter on vegetable and herb gardening. So many great ideas for those gardeners in your life. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.